Hi friends, I've put this punky text beside our cyberpunk girl and I want to make it a little bit of neon-like without going into Fusion. So what I'm going to do here is I click on my text plus, then I'm going to the effects library, and in the effects library I'm going to the OpenFX and I'm going to search for Flickr Edition. And then I'm going to play that and have a look. And we see that it's very subtle in flickering. So what I'm going to do is flicker type, I change to flicker gain, and then I have another look and it looks already better. I can adjust the speed, just have a look at it. Yeah, I like that. I'm just going with this. And I think that it would be a good idea to just add a drop shadow to give it a little more depth. In case that you didn't see what I was just doing, I went to effects and then in the open effects I searched for drop shadow and dropped that shadow on the text plus. And here I'm going to adjust my drop shadow a little bit. I wanted a bit more strength. Give it a little less blur. Change the angle and change the distance a bit so that's not too far away. Yeah, I like this one. And to top it all off, I'm going to the effects library and then in effects I'm going to grab an adjustment clip, put that on top of it all, and here I'm going to add a glow. Back to effects, OpenFX, search for glow, put it on the adjustment clip, and then play a little bit with the values. I think I make an in and out point so that I can easily loop it, and then I can play with the spread, with the different ratios. Yeah, that makes it a little more cinematic. I like that. Let's have a look. Yeah, I like that. You can always improve, of course. I hope you have fun with that. See you next time. Goodbye.